The Mouse and the Motorcycle by Beverly Cleary. Did you know that there is a mouse that rides a motorcycle? His name is Ralph. There is a boy named Ken, and he gave Ralph his motorcycle. The mouse lives in the hotel, but Ken visited the hotel before the mouse got the motorcycle. The whole story starts when the new guest of the hotel arrived. That is Ken's family. What will happen between Ken and the mouse? Will they become friends or enemies? You will have to read The Mouse and the Motorcycle to find out.